Yeah.
And so there's every reason to expect with a new coronavirus, you have immunity now. That doesn't totally preclude you from infection later.
Yeah, but if I had smallpox, I expect no smallpox.
Right. And so there's huge variability across different pathogens.
Nobody told us that when the vaccine came out.
Exactly. So I think that's the shortfalling of communication.
Right. Did they know that that was something they could have communicated at the time? Or was it still on the frontier of learning of the progress of the novelty of the virus?
There's a big part of that too, is being honest, and we don't know for sure yet. This is a new virus. Right now, if you get the vaccine, you're not going to get infected, or it's a 95% reduction in risk. Or your risk of severe disease is reduced by 90%. But how that will change 3 years from now, you can't be totally certain.
Why would we have a state of emergency if we're so close? And I called Dr. Paul Offit, who's a big part of the upshot in the arm. And he said, Scott, it's not very complicated, but it is nefarious that there are people out there that have become to be known as anti-vaxxers who scare and convince parents to not vaccinate their children. And it's never a matter of if, it's going to be a matter of when, if you do lower those vaccine rates, that you're going to see a measles outbreak.
And measles has some, among viruses, some like unique, not unique, but it's highly
contagious. Yeah.
It's become a bad word. Are you from the establishment?
That's right.
Oh, that's bad.
Yeah.
No, there's a reason why an establishment exists.
The level of cynicism is very, very depressing. And we might want to say, stop. It's not going to work. What's the first step that's going to get them to actually go down the road, admitting their addiction? So I think we're living through a time where people are not in the place to admit that they might have a problem about being cynical about science. Right? I'm afraid of what's been manipulated.
Yeah, it's a groupthink thing that.
Or somebody
you don't even know you're in a groupthink.
Or somebody lying to me. Right? Somebody tells me the truth. I'm going to deal with the truth.